Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember to like and subscribe if you like today's video, but only if you like it. Today I'll be playing Buildable for Toys. I'm gonna try to build a jet. I hope it works. Okay, so I think this is a toy. So what you need is like a bunch of okay, I'll go in this guy's boat. No, actually, I'm not. Get me on. But you launched me off. Well, get me on. Bro, this is a crazy build. What happened? This is a crazy build. What is this? What is this? Okay, this is totally related. But let's just take a time to proceed. If that build is always that. Okay, so let me show you how to build the jet. So you customize it and tweak with it to see how it works. What you need is like any type of block that you have a lot of. These jets, and that's about all. But you can add some more to make it look more like cooler, I guess. Okay, so first what you want it, and you also could use this to make it faster. So what I'm just gonna do is gonna make this like how long you want the jet to be, and how wide you want the jet to be. I'll say about like 4 blocks is good. This jet might look kind of ugly. Sophie doesn't look so good. Okay, so after that there, and what I need to do is put this way here, put this way here. So boom. And now what I need to do is this way, then you're gonna have to put it that way this big. And then what you're also gonna do is just copy that onto the other side. So you could use like the copy tool thing. You could use this copy tool to copy onto the other side. How do you copy it? Not move, but hey, clone. You can use the cloning to clone it. Here, boom. And again, you can move it like if you want to move a little bit inward. Oh, just tweak with this design all you want. Okay, there we go. Now we are going to build the roof. There's like a little gap in the one. If I do it, sorry. I could have moved this closer, move that closer. And then what we're gonna do for the roof, if you have the two, it's really useful. It's gonna clone, move it up, and this time rotate it to move like. First time using this tool. I had to use this tool. Just link that real quick and install over to my phone. Time. True, sorry for not so great. So what we need to do is I'm gonna delete all of this real quick. Sorry. It's like making the video a little longer. Okay. Boom, so you want to clone this right over here. And what you want to do is clone this again over here, then rotate it. The blue, the red, the ones it that way. Blue's gonna turn it. Boom. And use the blue to turn it that way, and then you can use this tool to let me move it down and up here. And then you can make this one part larger for the roof, or maybe shorter if your roof's not, if your walls are bigger than yours. Okay. The last what you want to do is get heaviest block you have. You don't necessarily need to do this, but this will really help it if the gas go forward, because it's gonna be forward heavy, so it's gonna go forward. So you make that jetting that makes it go forward, and then just patch up any holes so you don't fall out. And then all you want to do is get any material you have, go inside of it, then make it so you can try to go inside them, get patch up the back, and so after the back is patched up, you can add your jets to it. No, that's not correct. 1, 2, 3. Well, since I have this tool, you making it a little easier, and you can move it down right down. This is a little easier, and move it down like there. Not all 3 of them. This one. Down. There. Out. There we go. So now that all 3 jets are in, what you need to do is just get a car seat or a pilot seat. I'm gonna do a pilot seat. You can do a car seat if you want. Then you can add some force fields if you want. And then what you wanna do is you wanna launch the boat and what? Okay, I think yeah. Uh-oh. Do mine. Oh, I forgot to unanchor it. Okay. But you do want to unanchor it too. So I need to fly, and yeah, that's the tutorial. And unfortunately, I can't get a demonstration working. I'll just have to reset my character. Oh my god. Okay, and yeah. And then for my last scene, I'm gonna show you a car that I built. It is called Carl. I built it. I'm gonna get it and load it. Where's loading? Okay, so wait. So what you can do, what you should do is I'm gonna add a way. I need to add a way to get in here. You can make it a no-roof car. This one looks more aesthetically pleasing than the other one. That's what open my down, and then put my here, and then there we go. Run it down. We can make it thin roof car if you want to. Okay, then give us launch. I'll show a tutorial on how to make this in the door. Yeah, I think my builder boat's glitched right now. But hope you find this tutorial useful. Bye. Remember to like and subscribe.